Hey there! Are you tired of feeling like you just scrubbed a public pool after handling bleach? Do you avoid shaking hands with others for fear of being mistaken for a walking bleach bottle? In this video, I'll show you how to get rid of bleach smell on your hands with some simple tips and tricks. Say goodbye to that strong scent of bleach and hello to a fresh pair of hands. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, here are some methods you can use to get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! 1. Wash your hands with soap and water. First things first, let's get those hands clean with good old soap and water. The warm water helps loosen any dirt, debris, or chemicals on your skin, including bleach. And the soap? It breaks down and removes any residue that might still be hanging around. To start, wet your hands with warm water, apply soap, and rub your hands together to create a lather. Any hand soap will do, just make sure it's gentle on your skin and creates a good lather. Remember to scrub all parts of your hands for at least 20 seconds, including between your fingers, the backs of your hands, and under your nails. Rinse well under running water to remove all the soap and residue. Feel cleaner already? We're just getting started. 2. Lemon juice. Now, let's move on to our secret weapon, lemon juice. Grab a fresh lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice onto your hands. No fresh lemon? No worries. Bottled lemon juice will work too. Just make sure it's 100% pure lemon juice without any added sugars or preservatives. Rub your hands together for a few minutes, making sure to cover all areas, including between your fingers and under your nails. The citric acid in the lemon juice will help neutralize that pesky bleach smell while leaving a fresh, citrusy scent behind. Rinse with water, and you're done. Just be careful if you have cuts or open wounds on your hands. The citric acid might sting a little. 3. Baking soda. Next up, we've got baking soda. To create a paste, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a small amount of water. Rub this paste onto your hands for a few minutes, just like we did with the lemon juice. Baking soda neutralizes the bleach odor like a champ. Rinse your hands with water, and you're good to go. If you've got sensitive skin, though, be cautious, baking soda can sometimes cause irritation. 4. Essential oils. Ready for some aromatherapy? Let's use essential oils. There are so many to choose from: lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon. Just pick your favorite. Mix a few drops of your chosen oil with some water in a spray bottle or a bowl. Give it a good mix to ensure even distribution. Rub the solution onto your hands, making sure to cover all areas. The essential oils will mask that bleach odor like a charm. Rinse your hands thoroughly to remove the oil and any remaining bleach residue, as essential oils can leave a greasy residue if not rinsed properly. Remember to do a patch test before using it all over your hands. Better safe than sorry. 5. Activated charcoal. Our final method involves activated charcoal, a fine black powder made from natural materials like coconut shells or bamboo. Mix some activated charcoal powder with water to create a paste that's thick and smooth enough to apply to your skin. Rub the paste onto your hands for a few minutes, covering all areas. The activated charcoal will absorb any lingering bleach odor. Rinse your hands well with water to remove the charcoal and any remaining bleach residue. Make sure to rinse thoroughly, as the charcoal can leave a black residue on your skin if not properly rinsed. Just like with the other methods, do a small skin test before applying it to your hands to avoid any irritation. 6. Dry and moisturize your hands. Last but not least, after using any of these methods, dry your hands completely with a clean towel or let them air dry. A clean towel is key, as a dirty one can reintroduce bacteria onto your freshly cleaned hands. Once your hands are dry, don't forget to moisturize with a product suitable for your skin type. Bleach can be drying to the skin, and moisturizing can help prevent dryness and cracking. And there you have it. With these simple tips and tricks, you can say goodbye to the bleach smell on your hands for good. So go ahead, shake hands with confidence and enjoy your fresh, bleach-free hands. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.